recording. So file is ready. Let me share in this chat. Table to table. I will share in your chat. In case if you need, you can take this also. No problem. Now after this, which file is required? After this, according to index file, we need the file called home.html. Home.html. So let's create the next file, home.html. So for you people completed this index, this one, nav. Nav is ready. So hope everyone have done. We'll create the next file, home.html. You can reply also in the chat if you are writing. We can wait for 1-2 minutes. Everyone should be on the track.
So,
Hmm?
for me, I don't know, the scroll bar is coming. It's because of the browser. I'm using Chrome, and in the Firefox, it is the browser is not. I mean, the scroll bar is not coming. Whereas in the Chrome, it is showing the browser. So it's okay, right?
The scroll bar is coming where?
In the index page on
Which
the right side,
in which block?
both the blocks, in the header also, in the navigation also.
Cell padding, how much you are given?
8.
In the nav also and in the info also.
Yeah, I think because of the browser, because in Firefox, it is not showing. The scroll bar is not coming in the Firefox, whereas in the Chrome, it is coming.
The scroll bar has no any problem with the browser. Browser has the problem because maybe in the Chrome you are running more than 100%. See here, if I'll go here, if I leave control plus, can you see that? A scroller came for me. Here. Scroller came in the right side.
Yes, sir. Yes. So what should I do?
Press control and 0. In browser,
Control.
press control plus 0.
Okay.
It will come to 100%. See, if I press here control plus 0, it will come for me 100%. Now a scroller will go. If not going still, press control minus. So it will come 90%.
Yeah, it's not going. Let me try again.
Press control and minus.
Yes, 90% is showing, but the scroll bar is still there.
Then you have some other problem. Remove the cell padding, reduce that.
Okay, sir, I'll try. You can continue, sir. I'll see.
Now you can send your code, both the file, info file, no code should not be the different. Reduce the padding. Padding
Okay,
is
sir.
given, give 5, 6. Here also give padding less. In this we have not given padding.
Okay.
Or here you have the problem. See here, 8% we are given, 10% we are given, 67 we are given.
Yeah, I have taken same.
You can increase the 10 to 12 and 67 reduce to 65.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so that contribution of This one you can remove. Okay, go ahead then. Next file you created home.html. Home.html will be start from HTML, follow the body tag. In body tag, you write a center tag. Center tag is for what purpose? Suppose inside the page, everything you want to print in the middle, like all the lines should start from the middle. Photo also should come in the middle. Paragraph content also in the middle. Like everything, if you want to print in the middle without CSS, then you have to write everywhere align center, align center. So instead of writing align center many places, everything keep inside a tag or center tag. All will print in the middle. Okay, suppose I'll write here H1, welcome home. It will come in the middle. We'll write a paragraph. That paragraph will also print in the middle. Paragraph will also print in the middle. Paragraph also print in the middle. After paragraph, you can check your page or keep another paragraph here. Inside, keep a font tag, or instead of paragraph, directly font tag also you can use, because everything is going to come in center. Font color, green color. Size has a 6. Font has a property called size also, that start from 1. 1 is the minimum, a smallest, and the 7 is the highest. So we given here called 6. It's a little smaller than highest. Mobile number. So we should not write so much mobile number. Okay, then email. This way you can write. So this will come in little bigger font size. You can run the home file individual also, or you can run the index file also. Index is also combination of home. Home file hope running. Which happens, the home will come. All the contents are printing from the center. Now next file you have called footer. Next file you have called footer. So in this file, okay, we have one tag. If you want, you can write Marquee tag, MARQUE, Marquee. It will help you to move the text left to right, right to left. Different type of directions are there. Direction equal to right. It will go towards right side. Okay. You can write here. This is moving text by this is moving text by marquee tag. Write it and commons home is working, then we'll create a footer file. Clear? Text is moving automatically. Where to where? Left to right. By default, it will come right to left. Okay. It has some more property, direction, speed. Speed also, if you want to go right here, scroll amount. Scroll AMOUNT. Scroll AMOUNT. Scroll amount. Scroll amount. 1 is the lowest speed, 2 is little faster, 3 is little faster, 4 is more faster. Like if you're giving higher number, it will be more faster. Lower number if you give, will be slow. 1 is just complete slowest. Suppose I'll give it a 5. It will be little fast now. You can give 1 and then check how it is. If you give 2, check. Give 100, then check. If you give big number, it will become super fast. It will come and go. We cannot see also. Okay. So here is output. Moving text. Text is moving automatically. Next, which file? As per the index, my footer. Create the next file. Give the file name called myfooter.html. Myfooter.html. My footer start from HTML, body you follow, footer background give it a green color. PG color is a green, and inside the green color you have to display anything in cross color, then only it will be visible. Suppose if the footer is green, we have to display in white color. So right here, A paragraph, align as a center, keep inside a font tag, color as a white, keep size maybe 5, inside you can write a company name, CYBOTRIX technology. One paragraph is over. You can write here only Bangalore, India. It will print in center of the screen in the footer. Now footer should appear in the last green color. Footer in the last in the green color. Then from the index file, you can apply the border as a 0. In index file for the frame set, you can apply the border 0. All the border will get removed. Your page will look clean completely. Border will get removed. Page will look complete clean. So go to the index file. In index file for the frame set, you will write border equal to 0. Border as 0. Then you check page is looking full clean. In index file, we can write border as a 0. After that, your page will become complete clean. complete glimpse. This is from navigation, this is from the header, this is from the home, and this is from the footer. Without looking into the code, people will not identify here you is a frame set or division or CSS. Everyone looking similar. Online people mostly need to focus. Say, are you anything different? If different, then I'll guide you. I can share the file, I can take your file, we can see in that if any error. But if look clean like this, then no problem. We are on the track. We can work on remaining pages and we'll make it functional. Let's see if people have it. We are going to use now. We are going to use that. After clicking on home menu or after clicking on register menu, okay. User will click in which block? First or second or third or fourth? The implementation of this frame set is when we click on any link, okay, the first block, second block, and last block will not have any change. That block will be completely fixed. When you click on any link, first block, last block, and second block will not refresh at all. Content will change under the middle block. This one, white block. That is called asynchronous call. Without refreshing the page, the content will get changed. You will always be on this page only. You will be always on index page. And here content will come from the contact. Here the content will come from the login. Content will come from the register. REGI. I have made a spelling mistake again. Nav file REGI. Yes. Register. So user will click under the block 2 and data will change under the block 3. Content will change under the block 3. Target property, you remember? Target property. For the target property, we have written this. User is going to click under the block number 2, that is nav file, and the content will change under the block number 3. Which page is by default? Home file. Okay, if you click on login, here login page will come. If you click on register, here register page will come. By default, you have given as a home.html. So when the page will load here by default, by default home is coming. Once you click on register, here register will come. If you click on login, here login will come. Your header, footer, all will be fixed. It will not change at all. The content will change under the middle section using the target property. Now see, what are the names we have given? Block 1, block 2, block 3, and block 4. Okay, I have given the name for all the sections so that, okay, we'll identify info is coming under the block 1, nav is coming under the block 2, home is coming under the block 3, and my footer is coming under the block 4. So footer is fixed, header is info is fixed, nav is also fixed. The content will change under this block. That is called block 3. Block 3 is occupied by home.html. As you click on login, the block 3 will be occupied by login.html. As you click on register, the block 3 will be occupied by register.html. Okay, so we are going to write now how to use the user defined target. come to your nav file. If everyone have looked like this, then come to the nav file, nav. Okay, this 2-3 file, there can be chance of mistake. Let me share the file also, and then we can move inside. Hold on. Okay, the chances of mistake can be under the nav file. Chances of the mistake can be under the info file. Possibility of the mistake can be under the inbox file, home file, and footer file. Whichever you have the problem, download all and replace your file. Get ready for next. Oh, mask when it will go, yaar. It was about to go by then another one is come again. Okay, hope you are replacing if error. Let's come to the nav file. In the nav file, when you click on home, which file should come? Home file should come. When you click on register, register file has to come. Let's write that. Home.html. Here register.html. Register.html. Here will be login.html. Here will be contact.html. Here will be service.html. And here will be client.html. Okay. After that, what's it again?
So your voice is breaking.